Reasoning is just because, like, again, I don't want to get stuck in that box that I see so many content creators get stuck in and then just want to vanish from the internet altogether. And that's happened to me in the past, where I feel like I've put myself in a box and then I just left. I want to do like easier content, which is so like whatever, but I don't really care, honestly. I have seen so many like you know, on Instagram, like on the For You page or whatever it's called, the search, what is it called on Instagram? The For You page on Instagram, whatever that's called. It said something to the effect of like doing the least amount, like on like just standing somewhere, right? I'll just stand there in my corset and I'll put some words on the screen and that will probably get thousands of hits. At least that's what people are noticing on Instagram as of lately. So I'm just like, I'm trying to like keep up with the trends, you know what I mean? Just to kind of like get myself out there a little bit. That's kind of like my next thing. So I think I'll do some outfits. Like maybe I'll do like 10 days of corset outfits, and then I'll do maybe like 10 days of obviously, you know, different corset outfits. But instead of like getting ready on camera, like how I have been doing, I'll just get ready and I'll just like stand in a position or sit in a position or just like, I don't know, do something. And then I'll just put words on the screen, you know, like corset training, waist training, all the keywords, all the keywords. Anyways, enough rambling. I just like talking to you guys about my social media content, because this is just a place where I can just vent to you guys. I do have some people on Instagram that I've been chatting with and they're so freaking helpful. So I want to thank you if you're here, if you're listening to me right now talk. Thank you so much. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations or requests, put them in the comments down below. I know some of you mentioned doing some kind of like fashion stuff. So yeah, I'm finally getting around to doing some fashion stuff. My fashion isn't like how most fashion influencers are. Like I don't go shopping every single day on Shein and Temu and Amazon, like, you know what I mean? I wear my outfits, I wear my clothes, which I try to, you know, save money and get like nice quality outfits and then just wear those consistently, as well as my usual jewelry, my pearls, my bracelets, my rings, you know what I mean? Just like good quality products and not over consumption. I think over consumption is just like, it's tacky to say the least, you guys. It's so tacky. Just like wear the clothes that you already have, mix and match. You know, if you really need another key piece item in your closet, in your wardrobe, like obviously get it. But anyways, I'm going way off tangent. So I'm lollygagging and I'm just scrolling on Instagram and I find this girl who was a fashion influencer and she just posted like fashion outfits, right? Like hats, shoes, just like her wardrobe of the day. Tell me why I am thinking like, oh, posting fashion is gonna be a bad idea for me because I just came across this girl who used to be a fashion influencer and now she's like, screw this, I don't want to do it anymore. It's taking over my life. I hate posting about it. I just want to post real life stuff, blah, blah, blah. I mean, I'm over here posting fashion content, or at least trying to, attempting to, and I'm just like, I don't know. Can anybody relate? I'm sure one of you guys can relate. Like when you're doing something and then you just start lollygagging and you find something on social media that's kind of like reflecting the opposite of what you're doing. It's kind of a little intimidating and not motivating at all. Maybe I'm just gonna do like 5 days, 5 days of corset outfits. How tacky is that? 5 days? You could only do 5 days, girl. Like seriously? No, but see, my thing is like, I'm glad that I've kept this YouTube channel as like just real raw footage of me talking, vlogging, etc. Because like, this is how I want to keep the channel. I never want to curate this channel like so filtery to the point where I'm gonna have to keep up that kind of appearance. Like you guys see me getting out of bed in the morning, you guys see me with no makeup on, with my hair all ratchet, like you guys see me at my literal worst all the time. So it's kind of like easy for me to keep that up because that's real life, you know? Nobody wakes up and goes to sleep in their makeup, and if you do, you probably have really bad skin, but like nobody does that, you know? Like for the longest time, I have wanted to kind of curate my social media, like make it very like, not filtered, like don't use a lot of filters, obviously, Facetune and all that stuff. I don't want to purchase it, to be honest. The Photoshop and Facetune, like I'm just cheap. I don't want to purchase it. But just like trying to curate my pictures and reels and TikToks and everything, just trying to curate everything like so like, you know what I mean? I want to keep this YouTube channel as real as it gets. Yeah, like obviously I'm not going to share every single little thing about my life because I need my privacy, obviously. Like I'm even telling myself right now, even when I grow to like, I don't know, what's a big number for me? 10,000 subscribers on this channel, 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Like I still want to be the same person. I still want to create the same kind of content, and not obviously like the same exact kind of content, but just like in a sense, like just making like super real and not super scripted or curated and edited and all. Like I don't want to do all that stuff. Personally, I enjoy creating content that's just like, here you go, this is what you get, this is what I'm giving you, and if you don't like it, you can like unsubscribe kind of thing, because that's just my personality. Like that's just how I am. Like I'm not going to change just because someone doesn't like me. Actually, there have been lots of times where I've tried to change myself because people didn't like me, and it just never really got anywhere. So anyways, this is just a rant and a ramble. I think I want to start using my Instagram as more of like a personal Instagram, like posting more personal things, not just corset-based content. I don't know, I feel like that's the vibe right now. At least it's my vibe right now. Maybe I'm crazy. The reasoning is just because, like, again, I don't want to get stuck in that box that I see so many content creators get stuck in and then just want to vanish from the internet altogether. And that's happened to me in the past, where I feel like I've put myself in a box and then I just left the internet altogether and just, you know, appeared every 3-5 years. I don't want to do that again. And so I'm just like thinking of ways, and I'm talking out loud of what I'm talking about.